situated within historic 17th century canal houses and a former chapel, NH Collection's Amsterdam flagship. The Barbizon Palace couldn't be more central. By the entrance, a black plastic, life-size horse sports a lampshade as hat. Throughout the large oblong space, beach cabin-sized lampshades hang from the ceiling with cascading fringes in various bright or bold colors. Some of the most impressive retained architectural features have to be the suite's wooden beams, which provide a rare mixture of history, coziness, and casual drama. Ceilings slope gently upwards in an inverted V shape and seem to cause the breezy white suite to extend forever, effectively providing it with 2 floors. Immediately upon entry, on the left stands the bathroom. Decked in fleck gray and white tiles, it has a rain effect shower edged with contrasting black tiles. On the right stand a cupboard and minibar, and then up a few steps, the king-size bed encourages guests to slow down, if not downright stop. 3 floors below, city life unfolds. Pedestrians saunter, cyclists whiz, trams hum past the Amstel River, along which boats ferry happy tourists. Behind, the Central Station glimmers with gold highlights, as if ready to audition for a new Harry Potter film. Vermeer's lounge is colored mainly in an elegant, neutral gray with walls, floors, sofas occasionally uplifted by brighter, bronzier highlights. Behind a waist-height counter, an array of bottles and glasses remind that it's a bar, whilst on the wall opposite, a surreal black and white photo of a fish flopped elegantly into a high heel reminds diners to expect the unexpected. We opt for a tasting menu with wine pairing. The menu seems slightly off-piece from the annotated tasting menu, so keeps us happily on the edge of our seats throughout. Keen advocates of the farm-to-table movement, 99% of Vermeer's produce is sourced from Holland, and first up is an oyster from the country's western tips, served with fish roe infused in sherry and close to frozen, but filtered, North Sea water. The dining room is intimate in size and retains the same slate gray coloring as its lounge. Soft, right-angled sofas work with light wooden tables for a natural, upbeat effect with glass lanterns hanging above diners. The chicken pie is inspired by a sweet dessert, but could, by appearance alone, equally be inspired by a Cornish pasty, or even a beef Wellington. The inverse shape of a bowl, the pie is cut in half at the table and moistened with chicken juice. Pear kombucha cleanses our palate for the evening's main course. 6 different parts of lamb surround a small pool of lamb juice which Chef Sebastian Bacuro Garces pours. A champagne sorbet with imperial caviar acts as a final palate cleanser before a similar concept to the lamb dish is served for dessert. There's poached rhubarb ice cream decorated in a floral twirl, rhubarb just infused with Thai basil, and there are 2 long, thin creations which look like lobster leg meat but are rhubarb sweet sticks. Breakfast finishes the next morning, on the weekend, at a luxurious midday, so no need to rush. Impressively, the spa and gym are open 24 hours a day, and the former, especially, offers a great location to unwind and contemplate all that the Barbizon Palace and its city have to offer.